May we inquire from the BJMP, the official custodian, if it is necessary that Ramil Madriaga, while inside this proceeding, is still in handcuff? May we know the protocol? BJMP, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Pwede po natin tanggalin ngayon.
If your rule allows, please do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. May we direct the BJMP? Hindi siya uupo. Maybe he should just sit, excuse me, in between PSA and Attorney Camora. Please bear with us, Mr. Madriaga, in between PSA and Attorney Camora. So he will be seated along with the other resource persons. Let us leave the chair for the Vice President vacant because we are extending the opportunity to participate to her so long as we continue this proceeding. In between PSA and COA. May we direct the COMSEC to administer the oath to Mr. Ramil Madriaga. Mr. Madriaga, kindly stand up.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Thank you.
With all due respect to the lawyer of Attorney of Ramil Madriaga, Attorney Palad, may we request that you just occupy the seat at the back of Ramil Madriaga. This is to be consistent with our rule that the participation of lawyer is limited only to giving advice to the resource persons or parties in this impeachment complaint. Please provide a chair at the back of Madriaga for Attorney Palad. The oath has been administered to Ramil Madriaga.